awesome. Waiting for Mr. Babulnath also.
लग गया
Hey!
अरे पूरा पलटन आ जाएगा
Obviously, this is the first podcast.
अरे ये पॉडकास्ट है
Yes.
सही
Recording is going to start. So let me introduce everybody. We have the king of C++, Babulnath Bhandari. The man who knows everything about aviation, even more than his civil aviation engineer brother, Mr. Chaitanya Kamath. And the one who knows nothing, even though he's an engineer himself, Ameya Kamath. And we are going to talk about the most important thing that's happening out there. So, Chaitanya, I don't have to even start. Please go ahead. What is Bibi Netanyahu doing?
Where are we on?
Bibi Netanyahu.
Oh, we're talking about Israel, Iran.
You said you have to wait for. I waited a week. You said wait. It's been a week. I have waited. And now we have to speak. We have only 15 minutes for this because we have other topics to cover.
Well, it's primarily one of two things. Sorry, but I have got very little electricity left. So I'm conserving.
है मतलब क्या होता है ये थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्री में बैठे हो क्या
पावर कट होता है ना
Third world country में नहीं, पुणे में बैठा हूँ।
you here why are you
Power cut
here
है. I am here because I'm about to leave also.
मतलब
My project got over, no?
अच्छा okay
So I have come back. Family is coming back next week.
अच्छा nice
July में.
very good
Yeah.
अच्छा okay so that was like a breaking news okay now come back to Iran
and then he's also mentioned yes going to leave so as the second question
oh where are you
follow up
going
there
where are you going
I'm not going anywhere. I'm still working out the modalities, but I might be heading to Canada.
my god man you have no shame no you go to Canada
What do you mean I have no shame?
like seriously Canada इतना खालिस्तान
I
खालिस्तान
go
बोलने के बाद finally go to Canada
they got the Khalistanis banned for this guy just imagine
they're like okay Chaitanya's coming to Canada let's clean up our act before he really
let us stick together pardon my language
Babula you're at home na
Yeah, I'm at home.
okay I didn't want to like suddenly mess up your like office में रहेगा और ऐसा sudden
Office?
मेरे को नहीं मालूम तेरा क्या सीन है बॉस I have no idea I never knew I don't know I don't seem to know
Not at put in office since 2020.
अच्छा okay cool okay अच्छा in the meanwhile since Iran expert is taking some time any new updates on this Boeing thing or what I love how Boeing is like अच्छा ईरान इसराइल हो रहा है हम लोग कुछ नहीं बोलेगा चुप बैठेगा हम लोग
It's a double engine failure, na?
no I recently
The black box has gone to US since they didn't. It seems like they don't have the means of actually deciphering what is on the black box because it's burned beyond. It's damaged beyond. क्या बोलता है?
Recovery.
Yeah, over here. So they've sent it to US for decoding whatever is there on the black box.
of course
So that's the status. So there's a WhatsApp message which is doing rounds, but that's completely fake. They are saying the it's hilarious whatever they are saying. They're saying that the pilot got pushed behind, and this was the reason.
pilot
No. Sure. This is a wrong WhatsApp message which is doing the wrong.
Okay. No. Okay. Let Ameya advise on
yeah
this.
Ameya please
Why was the rat deployed?
rat deployed अच्छा okay
rat is generally
okay
deployed generally when you have complete power failure so when you lose all engine power electrical power everything you just lose all power you deploy a rat it's like your Hail Mary that you hope will take you to wherever you want to go till very short power boost for communications hydraulics that's about it it is not for flying an airplane as such it is only for
it is not. It
gliding.
is just for gliding for to enable. So let's say you have double engine failure and the aircraft is at 35,000 feet. the rat will deploy to give you power till you can glide to the next airport or the closest airport, whatever the scene is.
Not
Okay.
to nearest airport and all. Just glide
Communicate.
first on this thing.
Communicate.
And communicate. That's it.
Basically,
not
it's communication and basic hydraulics to give some instrumentation. There are two videos of this. One is from the airport itself, airport security, which shows the plane taking off and landing. There is another guy who's on a mobile who's recorded something. And what they're saying is what you can see under the aircraft is the rat getting deployed. The rat will deploy only in cases of a double engine failure.
But we don't know, na, this that it was deployed or no. It's just speculation right now.
No, there are the DGCA notification also said that the last communication to ATC was that the pilot communicated, we have no lift, no thrust. Okay, and then was the Mayday, and then it was the end.
So if it was deployed, then why didn't it work as planned? Like,
It cannot power the aircraft engines.
It's not providing thrust. It is just
It will not
providing
give you thrust.
sufficient power.
Babul, think about it this way. You've seen those 1940s propeller jets, propeller aircraft, fighter aircrafts. It's like a 3-propeller thing sitting under the belly of the aircraft trying to generate some electrical power so you can communicate. So he basically lost all his systems, lost thrust immediately after takeoff, within a minute. And he had zero lift.
This is basically a freak accident, right? This is free.